What is net neutrality? Net neutrality is the principle that all things on the internet are free, or it's called open internet, to where you're not being charged differently for an application, website you're accessing, any content you're using, streaming, so on and so forth. Where internet service providers and governments cannot charge you differently or restrict access to anything on the internet. What that does for you as the end user is it makes it really pick and choose what you view on the internet due to a cost structure. Where this doesn't make sense is, again, an open platform allows you to see whatever you want now. You might have an overall higher cost initially, but you're not restricted to what you access on the internet. Where a non-net neutral platform, where you would have a lower overall cost of initial subscribership, potentially can be a lot higher cost. Net neutrality is a good thing to some and a bad thing to some. So your larger service providers really do not like net neutrality because they could typically be able to charge more for certain content. Net neutrality, from my standpoint, is a good thing. The open source of the internet really made the internet what it is and allowed certain companies to be able to explode, right? And be the companies that we know they are today. Facebook, Netflix, Hulu, so on and so forth. So net neutrality has a lot of pros because it keeps the internet open-faced and all content is looked at equally. When you go into a closed internet, where everything is not looked at equally, then you have buy for what you want type of model. While you might have lower overall cost of initial subscribership to the internet, your overall end cost will potentially be higher if you want to view all the same things that you view today without having to pay for that additional cost.